Before you begin, Before to start to dive into the graphics engineering training module, we want to introduce three main graphic elements we will face that are essential to understand, from the beginning, the meaning of some specific terminology. The first significant element of the graphic library is the component. This can be defined as a symbol, representing a real component of an air handling unit or room. It can be animated and in different styles, like in 2D, 2D+, or even 3D. To be added into the graphic, it is enough to browse it from the component list and drag and drop it into the canvas, then it needs to be bound to the related data point. Or, directly from the equipment list, drag and drop the data point, and it will be added into the canvas, bound already. Here, two examples of 2D and 2D+ animated components in a predefined graphic. And this is an example of 3D components. The second significant element of a graphic library is the model. This is a library of pre-built groups of components. For example, a fan, with labels and status indicators. It can be instantiated only from the components list, and then a manual binding to the group of data points is required. Third important element of the graphic library is the so-called supersample. Supersamples are a library of entire pre-built graphics, and each of them cover a range of application configurations, assuring the highest engineering efficiency. Anything beyond the scope of the supersample needs to be adapted manually. In case of unresolved components, they are automatically hidden at runtime. This is an example of a next-generation automation AHU supersample that includes heating and cooling, temperature and pressure control. Here you can see a list of some of the supersamples available in the system, optimized for air handling units. Again, feel free to pause the video or directly check in the official documentation. This is instead an example of room supersample that offers also a link below that jumps to the room segment graphic. That is a list of some of the available supersample pre-built for room operations.